Hi, this is Dan from Arboreal Systems with an overview of the new Apogee power distribution and control system. As you'll notice, it's quite a bit different from the older Neutrino product. One of the obvious differences is that instead of using screw terminals, we're now using these tool-less spring-loaded terminals for making the connections to the power. So we've got circuits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each one of those is very easy to connect up to 12 gauge wire, and very reliable because they're spring loaded. Moving to the left here, we've got 5 relay inputs. Again, these also use tool-less connections that are spring loaded. So there's relay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are to allow you to connect up to 12 volt inputs on the host vehicle to trigger activity on the Apogee system. Next are CAN high and CAN low. These are used to monitor the host vehicle CAN bus for purposes of controlling things on the Apogee system based on activity on the host CAN bus. We'll talk more about this when we do the demonstration of the product, but suffice to say that it takes 2 wires connecting in for the CAN high and CAN low, connecting up to the host vehicle, and any activity on the host vehicle will be captured and can be programmed to activate circuits on the Apogee system. Next, we've got FD high and FD low. These are also CAN terminals, but the purpose of these is different. These are used for if you want to expand your Apogee system to more than one unit. So with Apogee, you can have up to 8 total Apogee modules in a system, or a total of 48 circuits, all connected to each other, all controlled via a smartphone using a very intuitive user interface. This makes the system very useful for larger installations such as on off-road vehicles, boats, overland vehicles, travel trailers, campers, you name it. It's really slick, and we provide cabling that allows you to connect all these things together any way you like. Again, huge flexibility because you can basically both control and monitor what's going on over the up to 8 units from one cell phone application. And then finally, the analog input. The analog input is really another relay input. Operates the same way as the other relay inputs. The difference in this case is that you can set a threshold voltage. So for example, if you want something to happen at 3 volts or 5 volts or 6 volts or 8 volts or 9 volts, you can set that with this. So you can use this the same way as any of the other 5 relay inputs, but you can also use it slightly differently. So Apogee has a tremendous flexibility in how you can deploy it, making it useful for a wide range of applications, either as a standalone unit that has lots of upgrade potential, or part of a much larger system, or tied in with the host vehicle CAN bus, or host vehicle 12 volt inputs. So huge flexibility. Thanks a lot.